Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to show you 4 different hairstyles that you can wear to the gym for working out, dancing, any active activity that you like to do. All of these hairstyles are cute but also practical, which is really important to me. My hair needs to be securely tied away from my face if I'm working out, so I'm gonna make sure that these are really sturdy, they hold up, and they are practical and cute looking. I am wearing some really cute workout gear from Stronger today. They are kindly sponsoring this video, but I will tell you a little bit more about them later. Let's get started with the first hairstyle first. For that one, I am going to start by doing a high ponytail. So let me grab my brush here. I'm gonna brush all of my hair up into a high pony right on the crown of my head. Alright, when I have my high ponytail, I am going to take a thin strip of hair just from the bottom of my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap that around the hair elastic to hide it because I don't want that to be visible. I'm going to just slide in a bobby pin really quickly to secure this down. Alrighty, and then I'm going to take a bunch of these little hair elastics, those little rubbery ones, and I'm going to make a really cute bubble braid ponytail with this. So I'm gonna take my ponytail here, wrap my elastic around a few centimeters below where I have my ponytail, or my first hair elastic, like that. Then pull this out a little bit so that it's nice and fluffy and round. Then I'm gonna take the next elastic and do the same thing. And I'm gonna keep doing this all the way down my ponytail. It's up to you to decide how big or small you want to make these sections. If you do a bit more, then you should end up with something like this. And I think this is a super cute hairstyle. Works beautifully on thicker hair as well. In that case, you probably won't need to fluff out these sections that much. They will just kind of bubble out as you tie them in between. But yeah, that is the first hairstyle. So I mentioned that I am wearing workout gear from Stronger today, so I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about them, and especially their new collection, which this set is from, that I'm wearing right here. This is from their new foliage collection, and I especially love this collection because it is entirely made out of recycled fabrics. And not only are the clothes made out of recycled materials, Stronger is also CO2 compensating for every item sold by investing in planting new trees, which is fantastic, and I absolutely love that. So what I'm wearing here is the camo flowers set. I'll be wearing a different set with every hairstyle, so you can get a look at those a little bit later in the video. But I have to say, guys, I have been wearing these workout clothes for a few weeks now, and they make me feel so good. I know it may seem silly, but wearing really nice workout clothes just makes me feel so much better going to the gym. It makes me feel more motivated. I feel better about myself while I'm in there, and literally everything I have from Stronger makes me feel amazing. The leggings and the tops are super comfortable. They are squat proof, tried and tested. I can highly recommend. Super comfortable, really nice to wear, and can definitely be worn in daily life as well if you are the athleisure type. Stronger have kindly given me a discount code for you guys, so you can use code 20Loepsie for 20% off of your purchase of anything that isn't on sale at the moment. There is a link in the description box to their website, so definitely be sure to check it out. As I mentioned, I'll be wearing a different set for each hairstyle, so let's move on to hairstyle number 2. Okay, ready for hairstyle number 2. For that one, I'm gonna start by separating out the top of my hair from my ears to my crown. Separate this out. I'm gonna start by tying away this hair. I'm actually gonna just clip it away. It's a bit quicker. And I'm gonna work on the bottom of my hair first. And I am going to do an upside down French braid with this. Sounds more complicated than it is. It might take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard to do. So what I'm gonna do is flip my head upside down. Hope you can still see me. I'm gonna comb all of my hair up. Then I'm gonna take some hair from right down here in the nape of my neck, separate this into 3, and I'm just gonna do a French braid like any other French braid. So I'm gonna take hair from the sides every time I braid and slowly make my way down or up my hair. So as you are working your way towards the crown, try and make sure to incorporate all the hair that isn't currently tied up in that little bun in the front. And when you're done, you can just finish a few more braids here. You should end up with something like this. Just gonna tie off this braid for now with a hair elastic. There we go. And you've probably already guessed it, but next up we're gonna work on this front portion of hair. And this is also your chance to incorporate any hair that may have been left out in the last round. So just be sure to use up all the hair you have left. With the French braid we're gonna do in the front. So I'm gonna incorporate my bangs into this one. So I'm gonna start right in the front here with my actual bangs. Separate those into 3 and start braiding. Okay, so once you've reached the top of your head, you are going to take both braids, the top and bottom ones, and tie these together with a hair elastic. Now, of course, you want to be able to see all of that hard work you just did on the braiding, so I'm going to twist this hair that's in the ponytail into a bun. Just a really simple twisted bun. And I am going to tie this with another hair elastic. You could do bobby pins, but I just feel like a hair elastic is a bit more secure. And this is still a workout hairstyle, so I'm just gonna do a hair elastic. And there we have the second hairstyle. So the set I'm wearing with this is the Green Jungle set, also from the Foliage line, made out of recycled material. This set comes with leggings and a sports bra, and I absolutely love this set. I love the print on this, it's so unique and really cool. So let's move on to hairstyle number 3. If you found the last hairstyle a bit too challenging, don't worry, the next one is much easier and quicker to do. So for that one, I'm going to split my hair in a center parting, which I already have. Let me check. There we go, now it's nice and neat. I'm going to take 2 sections, one from each side of my head. I'm gonna bring them backwards, and I'm going to tie these together using another one of those little hair elastics. Then I'm gonna take this little gap that I have here and I'm gonna loop the ponytail through just once. There we go. Then I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna take some hair from the sides, bring it forward, and I'm gonna tie it into a ponytail over that last ponytail that I have there. Then I'm gonna loop it through. Pull it tight, and I'm gonna keep doing this all the way down my hair until I reach the nape of my neck. Okay, and then for the last one, I'm just gonna take a hair elastic, a big one, regular one, and tie this into a ponytail. And I am going to cover this with a little strip of hair, just like we did in the first hairstyle. So secure that with a bobby pin. And there we go, that is the third hairstyle, which is really quick and simple to do and just that little bit more interesting than your regular basic ponytail. The set I am wearing with this is one from Stronger's signature collection, and this is the color Moon. It's a really beautiful beige and I absolutely love this set. I think it's super flattering, really beautiful. Alrighty, let's move on to the fourth and final hairstyle. For the last style, we're gonna do some fun braids and buns. So for that, I'm gonna start by splitting my hair down the center, down the back of my head as well. Like that, and I'm gonna clip away one of the sides for now. And I am going to create a Dutch braid with this hair. I'm gonna incorporate my bangs as well, so let me just split those down the center and pin this bit away with a bobby pin so that it doesn't get in the way. So on this side, I'm gonna start right at the very front. I'm basically just doing this because I have the bangs. If you don't have bangs, you could start a bit further down the back of your head, wherever you prefer to start your French and Dutch braids. And I'm just gonna start right here. Separate this into 3 sections. And a Dutch braid is the same as a French braid, only instead of bringing the sections over, you're bringing the sections under each other so that the braid ends up lying on top of your head. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep adding hair from both sides again, just as I did with the French braids. Only this time I'm braiding under. When the braid is done, I'm gonna tie it off with a hair elastic. There it is, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So once again, I'm gonna start right at the front here, separate that out into 3 sections, start braiding. And now with these ponytails, I am going to make some really cute buns. So there are of course several ways you could do that. I prefer to just do one of those twisted buns again. So I'm just gonna twist the hair up. I like this bun because it's nice and compact and secure and really easy to tie with just that one hair elastic. But if you prefer something a bit more voluminous, of course, you could choose a different technique to make your bun. There is the 4th hairstyle done. Super cute, pretty simple to do again, super sturdy. This will not go anywhere through whatever workout you put it through. So the set I am wearing with this hairstyle is another one from the Signature collection from Stronger, and this is the color Buddha. And this one comes again with leggings and a sports bra. Super cute, super comfy, absolutely love it. And that's it guys, those are the 4 hairstyles that I wanted to share with you today. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. Don't forget to check out Stronger in the link in the description box and use code 20Loepsie for 20% off of your purchase. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!